Here we come to the elevators at Guang Mountain in Kaohsiung, Taiwan. It's a Mitsubishi. That one just left already. This right elevator is the handicapped elevator. I guess we'll take the right one first. Mitsubishi Electric 2. It's a Mitsubishi Electric. My second Mitsubishi Electric elevator. Number 1. You can come in. You can come in. All right.
Together.
哎呀，我们都很瘦的。
都还见。
Hello.
看不到里面。
有吗？弟弟有被挤到吗？
You guys go ahead. I'll be the last stop. Go ahead. You guys go ahead.
OK，
我们从那儿走啊。
Yes. I gotta get my cabbie because I didn't get to. Look in the mirror, hi, and check this out. It's got the old bumper. There's your cab. All right, should close up. There it goes, and that will be it.